When can you feel baby movements in your pregnancy? Hi, this is Dr. Abinaya Vijayakumar. I am a doctor and a motherhood empowerment coach. Today in this video, we are going to discuss when exactly can you feel the baby movements in your pregnancy, which week of pregnancy can you expect, what type of movements will be there, and when should you visit your doctor if the movements are less. Let's get started. First and foremost, the baby movements are usually felt between 18 to 22 weeks. If it's your first pregnancy, you can wait up to 22 weeks for the baby movements to be felt. And initially, the baby doesn't move around or kick very intensely. The movements are very mild, like pulsating movement or small butterfly like effect, so that you tend to miss out on your busy schedule, distracted by other work. So a first time mother can feel the first moment between 18 to 22 weeks. She can definitely wait up to 22 weeks for the first moment to be felt. And do not wait for intense kicks or movements. It would be mild pulsating movements, like just a fraction of a second. You could even get confused if you actually felt a moment or not. That's exactly the baby movements in the initial few weeks. But as baby grows bigger, the movements are going to be more regular and the kicks will be intense. If it's your second pregnancy, you can feel the movements little earlier by 18 or 19 weeks or by 20 weeks max. How many movements should be there throughout the day? First, let me clear this out. Stop timing or counting your baby movements. Initially, when the baby moves around or when you start perceiving the fetal movements, the fetal movements would be very mild because the baby is too small for you to feel all the movements. So, as the baby grows older, like 6 months, 7 months, or 8 months, your baby will form a pattern. Okay, for example, in some mothers, the baby would be more active in night. In some other women, the baby might show more movements when the mother wakes up or she eats something. Usually, when you eat something, the glucose level goes high, because of which baby tends to move around. That's the reason after a good meal or after taking a juice or fruit or some healthy snack, you would feel baby movements. Otherwise, stop counting the baby movements every single time and stop getting alarmed because you feel less movements. As your baby grows older, follow the pattern that your baby shows, and if that pattern is met every single day, then it's absolutely fine. When there is no movement for quite some time, for hours together, even then don't get alarmed at the beginning itself and start rushing to the hospital. If you don't feel movements for past few hours and you just realized it, take a healthy meal. Take a meal, snack or fruit or even a juice or even a sweet, example gulab jamun with the sugar syrup, if your sugar levels are absolutely normal. Once you take this, go to a separate room, lie down on your side, place both your hands on your tummy and feel the baby movements in a distraction free zone. No other talking, no other lights, just switch off the lights, just you and your baby. Just feel the movements for the next 20 minutes. Probably you will get the movement because you might not have noticed the movements earlier. So if you have felt the moment during that time, it's absolutely okay. Even then, if you don't feel the movements, you can definitely rush to the hospital to meet your doctor to get a scan done or to check the fetal heart rate to make sure that your baby is doing all right. Usually in a day, the baby movements will be felt somewhere between 10 to 15 times in a day, and usually felt more when you go to sleep or when you just wake up, when you talk to the baby or when you have a good meal. So most of the time there is no actual problem behind the baby movements not felt, but it's actually the distraction that we have in our day-to-day life that we tend to miss out listening or observing the baby movements. So just reassure yourself once the baby movement is felt. But if you don't feel movements for quite some time, like for few hours, and even after lying on your side in a silent room, observing the baby movements by placing the hand, even then if you don't feel movements for the next 20 minutes, definitely reach out to your doctor. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section so that I'll do a video on that in the upcoming days. Until I meet you with another interesting topic, stay happy, stay mommified.